this is Shreya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very much different from other videos that I made, but this video is going to be you have came to know about it from the thumbnail and the title only, but still this video is going to be a winter special hack video. So I hope it will be useful to you all, and if you like this kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So without any further issues, let's start with the video. So yes, one more thing that this video is not at all promotional. This video is my personal opinion about the skincare and healthy tips. So now let's start with the video. So the first tip is about the dry lips. Now in winters, many of us, our lips get damaged and dry, and it suddenly of it get peeled. So for that, you all can apply Vaseline, the petroleum gel. It's like awesome. In a day, I personally apply 4 times, but you all can apply more than. It's not harmful and it's perfectly safe to apply it more than 4 times. And it's perfect for dry lip problems, and it can make your lips as smooth as mine. So the second problem is the dry skin. Now we all almost suffer this in winters, the dry skin, and for that you all can apply a simple thing, like very simple it is, and body lotion, Vaseline only, body lotion. The Vaseline products are very nice, and I use this one, this body lotion of Vaseline. So it's perfectly fine, and it moisturizes the dry skin, even the oily skin also. It moisturizes very nicely, and in winters, dry skin, patchy skin, and when the tissues get off, so we almost have very much problems. So we can apply this twice a day, like after bath and before going to bed. Apply it 2 times and your skin will be perfectly fine, as mine is. So as you can see, it's perfectly smooth and perfect nice. So you all can also have such skin. So apply this for that. So the third is a tip, or you can tell it a hack also. It's a makeup hack. So in winters we have skin problems, and oily skin must have like me. So it's very much problem. So before applying any makeup, you should always apply a sunscreen. Sunscreen prevents us from, as we all know, it protects us from the UV rays of the sun, and it also protects your skin. So the makeup that you are applying in your face, it will not damage your skin at all. So after that, you can apply primer, then foundation, then concealer, and therefore you go. So this is a small makeup tip. I hope it was useful, and let's go to the fourth hack. So now I shall tell you 2 very simple winter hairstyles. So it is very simple, and you go for outing, so you can apply this. So let's see the hairstyles. So first you have to take the mid partition of your hair or the side partition of your hair, then comb the hair properly, then divide it into 2 equal halves, and then leaving the front side, you can start making plaits, 2 plaits, and as you can see in the video, it's perfectly making pie and a stylish look also. Now as we are ready with our first plate, so do the same process in the second plates also. very simple. If you wear a cap also, it will not be destroyed your hairstyle. So this is a very simple hairstyle, and let's do the second hairstyle. Now for the second hairstyle, just tie your ponytail as I am doing. So let's wait. So I'm there with my ponytail, and after that you all can do just take the ponytail, round it off like this, then just round it off around your head to plate, and then tie it off like this, and you're ready. And you can just take two strands from out and you can do like this. It looks fashionable. And this is the pony. I don't know how much it's visible or not. And if you wear a cap also, for this also it will not be destroying your hair. And if you can maintain a very nice way of fashioning also and not destroying your hair, and it will not be destroying your hair at all. So next we'll do the last hack. And for the last hack, I just give you a trick, and please don't use those this kind of hairbrush. Please use this kind of hairbrush, and it will not break your hair also, and it will smoothly take off the hair, and very perfectly it will hairbrush your hairs, and it will be perfectly fine. And if you use this type of brushes, then your hair must be damaged from the roots also, and it may have some problem also in your head, and hair fall will be much more. If you have hair fall, then it will be much more. So that was a small tip. Yes guys, this was the video of today. If you like this video, don't forget to give this the video a thumbs up, and comment me down that what kind of videos you want to see in my channel, and if you like this video or not, that also please comment me down. And I'm coming up with such new content and new types of videos, and I hope it was very informative for you all. And if it helped this much also, please comment me down and like this video, and do subscribe my channel. That's the Shreya Karmakar. And so that was the video. So I'll get you in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay tuned, and bye bye.